All right, welcome back. We are in the process of, I guess you could call it our third ceiling build. We actually had leftover materials from the second one, so we had almost enough to do the pantry. So we actually picked up a few, just literally a few items that we needed to, in order to finish the pantry ceiling. And so the guys are back today to finish that and use up the leftover materials we had from the second build, which did the spare bedrooms, the bathroom, and the hallway. So we had enough of the Hardy Flex board and all the metal and everything. Just had to buy a few little things, and they're back and they're doing it. And we're putting in a ceiling vent fan that's going to be connected with the light switch. So you go in, you turn it on the light, it'll turn the light on and start the fan, which will be nice. So we can keep that air going out, and it'll vent out into the spandrel vents. So we can kind of keep a little bit of that heat out of that room. And so yeah, they've been at it all morning. So let's go in and take a look at it. Alright, so you can see the guys have one sheet up there. They've been wiring the fan and stuff. So
there's an exhaust or there on the corner.
Yeah, there'll be a. I'm gonna run pipe anyway from the fan. For right now, we just want it in here, and it'll just vent up there, and it'll go out that vent, just by having it in there. So that's a big deal for us to have this other room done, because that means all we have left is the living room, the kitchen, and the office. That will be it. Now, granted, they are good sized spaces, but just to have another room knocked out is a big deal to us. So with that, we'll be back later in the afternoon and show you the progress, and I'm sure it won't take them that long to get this completed. All right, welcome back. It's just after noon. It's lunchtime. The guys are eating lunch, and they're actually almost done. They've got a little bit left of the ceiling to put up and put in the exhaust fan, and I think they're done.
The exhaust is up.
So the exhaust is up now.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go in and
I think they're just gonna hook
check
it
it
up
out.
to the electric. Mini go.
it runs already.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Looks good. Just got a little strip there and one more piece. Looking good. Looking real good.
And then we done.
You know? Alright, let's go check out outside. See what we got.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's really warm. Good it is. We got enough for another room.
Of this, the metal.
Yeah. We got all that. Well, we'll see. Whether we can get the office done. Not right now, but once we get paid.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we still have enough left over that we may be able to get the office done and just leave the living room and the kitchen to be done. So that would be nice. But we'll see once it's all taken care of. It is really warm right now, and man, it's hot. And, hopefully it'll cool off here. We want to go for a walk later. So it looks like there's some rain over here. Coming down over there by the mountains. It doesn't look too bad over this way. So, but that's our update for now. They're almost done. So there you go.
Yeah, they're on a lunch break.
And then oh, that's tripping.
So we'll go back later.
Yeah, we'll come back later and give you an update when they're done and finished up. All right, welcome back. It's just after 1 o'clock. You guys are done. They're just cleaning up now. So as soon as they get some of the scaffolding out of there, we'll go and take a look. We still have some leftover stuff, so I don't know. We'll have to ask them about the office and see what we need as far as materials for maybe getting the office done. We might only have the living room and the kitchen to do. We still have the HardyFlex board out here. We've still got enough metal, I think, for everything.
Maybe one more HardyFlex, I would
So
guess.
probably another HardyFlex, but we'll ask them before they leave, and we'll see. Maybe we can get it done, and that would be huge. That would be a big deal for us.
Maybe next month.
Maybe the beginning of the month, yeah. Because it wouldn't cost us much. Because we already have the majority of the stuff. So let's go in real quick, take a look. We got the exhaust fan in. Just got to clean up in here. The exhaust fan's in, it looks good. And it trips on when we turn the light on. So it's ceiling is up. It looks really nice. Another one down.
Yeah.
So very happy with it. We've got one less room to do. So with that, we'll end this video for now, and we'll see you again soon. All right, it's a little bit before 3 o'clock. We're getting a lot of rain right now.
Yeah, I took a video and showed it.
So, but we got everything positioned at least temporarily in the pantry. So we want to show you guys the finished product and what it kind of looks like, at least for right now. So we got the fan going. It goes when the light switch is turned on. It's a little echoey, but that's okay. I'm sure once we get some paint and stuff in, that'll make some difference. But looks good. I'm happy with the ceiling. We will get some paint and stuff up when we have the chance. And we still have more metal left over.
Still.
Still, after the spare bedrooms and stuff, we still have extra. In fact, we have enough of the metal to do the office. So here, I'm not sure when we're going to do it. Probably take a few days at least. Break, and then we need to buy 2 more pieces of the Hardy Flex, and we still have enough left over of the other stuff that we can get the office done. That will leave the kitchen and the living room. That's it, and then that'll be done for the ceiling. So even though it seems like kind of crazy, we've got the leftovers, so we're going to use it. So with that, you can see that we're done organizing in here, at least for right now. Owen was trying to help us here, and I think he wants a treat. But it's in here. Shelves are in here. This is only temporary shelving for in here, but it's a pretty nice little pantry. So with that, we will let you go. But please subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your friends and family. Have them subscribe if you would, please. Like the videos if you like them, and come back next time. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have another video of some kind with our adventures in the Philippines, and nothing else, we'll see the dog going crazy again. So with that, thanks for watching.
Oh boy.
Little spaz.
Oh, he's already sitting down. Good.